What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. A long time ago, they used torches to light the way, but this one is a nano torch. Just picked this up. It's a nano torch, and I thought it looked awesome. So it's by KeySmart, and what you can see here is we have a little handheld pocket flashlight, but the thing kind of periscopes and turns into something even more useful, I think. So let's just open this up, and because it's all wrapped in plastic, I'm going to do that off camera. Got it unboxed here. It does come with a little micro USB cable, which is like a flat ribbon, which is kind of nice, so you can charge that up. And here is the flashlight itself, and it's got a really interesting look. It's aluminum, but it's got a little bit of this bead blasted, almost gray-like finish. It's really nice. It kind of looks very sleek. You can see here a smooth top, but then you have a slightly recessed lens there and a LED inside. We have a nice metal clip here, very strong, and then a rubberized button right there for turning it on and off. We have a cap on the bottom which unscrews, which has an O-ring for waterproofing. Then we have a little plastic on the battery here, and this is a 14500 battery, so it's one a little bit smaller. I'm not sure what the milliamp hour rating is on it, 750. And then what we have is one of the toppers where you would plug the micro USB cable into there. So you would take out the battery and plug it in to the cable, and that's how you would recharge it. So it goes right in there. This has apparently 50,000 hour life on the LED element. It doesn't mean you'll get in one charge. It just means that it's rated to run that long, and the KeySmart logo right there. Now, I just want to quick show you here that what we can do is turn it on, and hold it down and then turn it on, and quite bright. And I think if I just tap it, I go through the modes. So low, medium, high, and back to low. Now if I hold it down, I think we go to hidden mode. So I'm going to hold this down for a couple seconds, and we go to a strobe. And then if I hold it down another couple seconds, and now we're kind of in this 3 flash state. So anytime I tap it, it goes to 3 flashes. So pretty cool. Now, really, the cool thing about this is you can see this little diagonal seam right there, and if I twist this like that, the thing goes 90 degrees, and now I can clip this to my shirt and use it. You got the button right there. Use it like a periscope flashlight, or attach it to a headband or something like that. So it becomes uber useful, and I wonder if I can move it while it's lit up like that. Boom, just like that. Or I could set it on the table and have it face forward. You know, that is super useful. Put it on my belt, what have you. You can move the clip around, move it to the back if you wanted to. So that's pretty awesome. Of course, does it work in the dark? Let's find out. All right, guys, rainy, cold night here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and flip this flashlight on here. And the nice thing about kind of the way it is angled here like a periscope is that I know right where the button is. You can kind of grab it like a pistol grip, and the button is right there. So take a look at this little bad boy, man. This thing works like a charm. This thing is stupid bright, and it's super comfortable to hold in my hand here. And you can see those trees out there, so I could take a hike. I can see way out there. I mean, this is better than just for hiking, because I've got a huge flood light here, and it's illuminating just about everything. And if I go down here, even on this lower level, I can still illuminate those trees. This is perfect for kind of seeing 10, 15, 20 feet out in front of me and seeing what I'm doing. And like I said, if I step up to the next level, 30, 40, 50 feet out, and then, man, if I go up to that level, it is just stupid bright. That is cool. Look at all those levels. Man, this is awesome. Hey, if you want to pick up this little transforming flashlight, I will put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.